Right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are another abandoned property. Making trash on the joint. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, give us a like, drop us a comment. If you're returning, thank you very much, we appreciate it. And
I've got a question.
What's your question?
Right. White wallpaper, but it's obviously peeling off. Why is there a flower one underneath? They used to stick the wallpaper the other way around, so they didn't like it.
God no, doesn't make sense. We're sort of doing this a bit arse about face. We've got to come at the top. We'll start at the top and we'll work our way down to the bottom.
There is some quite nice things at the bottom.
Yeah, there is. So, yeah, the bottom is quite nice to see. Like all bottoms are.
Not all bottoms though.
No. What the hell is that? Must be like a kid's thing. It is, isn't it? It hangs up.
It ain't a kid's thing. It's just
No, but it looks like a kid's made it. Some little bits in that here. Look, you've got like workers' high vis, which I don't get. Got
sun.
Laptop bag there. Oh, games and puzzles. What is this? North Wales Chronicle, 2013.
I've got 2013 on there.
You got a letter there, have you?
2013.
Okay.
Oh God, this person was in debt, I'll tell you that.
Oh, massive
Don't want
debt.
to show.
No, that's fair enough.
4,298.
There's just these odd sods, isn't there, around this little bit. On a few of these run. But I do like the house. It's out in the sticks, out in nowhere. And I wouldn't want to be here at night, I'm not going to lie.
No.
It would be creepy as anything. So overgrown, but I've got this like lovely yellow hallway. Is it green? Looks yellow. That's yellow.
It's yellowy.
Tell her it's yellow.
It's yellowy green.
Tell her it's yellow.
Yellow green.
This one looks a little bit better. We've got a couple of books in here. Jamie's 30-minute meals. Wow. Get yourself in there, lad. And what we got here? The Little Blue Book. Phil Gordon. Oh, there's a few nice bits in here though. Another paper. The odd sods. Not bad size house really. You'd think if you were like that much in debt, you would have sold the house.
How was down there?
Right, so this is another set of steps. We're not going to go down them.
We'll come.
There, we're going to go the other way because it's a bit safer. But so we'll come into this final upstairs room, and yeah, it's been trashed, unfortunately.
Seems more like just a dump.
It does, like a dumping ground, doesn't it?
Like mattresses.
All the mattresses are here, old bedding, and stuff like that. And we'll come down.
Oh, I should put my foot in the nail.
Be careful. Right, we're downstairs. The sun is setting, so the sun is setting. We'll head downstairs and show you the nice little bits down here. And this is the living room. This is what I mean. The upstairs, you know, might not have been all that, which, you know, get that. Looks like some pieces have been gone, but you know, it's still like a little living room set up here. Look, you even got a barbecue. You know, we're getting the summer now. Barbecue in the living room.
Imagine cooking your sausage coming out.
We got loads of poker chips here.
Oh, maybe it's a gambling man.
Might have if he was in debt. But okay, we got here a nice TV. That old style tube
Mouse
TV.
trap.
Yeah, mouse trap.
Standing.
You know, but how good there is, isn't there?
They're in a packet, but.
And a packet of mouse traps there. An old fire. Makes me wonder if anyone's been squatting here.
That's what I was thinking.
And I only say that because it's kind of
That's
set
a
up.
dog bed.
That is a dog bed.
Invoices.
What we got here? Quotes. So I've got an old speaker system there. Oh, I like that. And this is in good condition. Look at that. Look at that. Marcom, G Marcom. I don't know.
Oh, that's like one.
It's like one of those recording things. Look, and you've got a crossfade machine here, a mixing board.
What's this?
That looks like one of those tea dispensers again. I think.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the bottom of a tea dispenser.
Oh, that's quite cool.
Now, so move into this area. Go into the next one. So this is where these little stairs came from. You'll hear bumblebees buzzing around. This is where the little stairs came down to. But we'd rather take the main and come in what I can only assume is like the kitchen and sort of dining room. But part of me wants to think that there was a wall here. But these were two separate rooms. It makes complete sense that they would be.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah, but then it looks like there was a wall that sort of ran down here. It makes sense that that would be the case. But it looks like it's been knocked down. And look, it's got one of those nice old ovens, all oven again.
Yeah, they are big.
And yeah, a bit worse for wear, but nevertheless, they must be worth a bit. These, they're so old. You don't see them in
I doubt it.
you don't see them in modern houses. You know, if you guys who watch this, who watch us, should I say, you know, have you ever had your own personal experience with one of these ovens? You know, let us know, what are they like to use? What are their performance like? Do they pump out loads of heat that fills the house up? You know, why aren't they around anymore? I'd be interested to know. Looks like a little coat of arms there.
There's no toilet in here.
Yeah, there might be one outside.
There's no bath.
There's a bath outside when we come through. I did see. Might have a barbecue in here. Oh, that sun's shining right through here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's close to setting. I don't want to be in here at night.
No, me neither.
There's some cool trinkets up here. Well, what looks like a horseshoe there. I like that. That goes back into where the front door was. A candle holder.
Saying that, there is a, if you come down here, there is
You still got some. Sorry, there's some.
oh, here.
Yeah, it goes into the living room.
That bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just a little porch.
Yeah.
A laptop.
Wow, yeah, it is. Old HP one. Yeah.
Oh god, that is well old.
That is old. Big ass beef buzzing around. That's crazy. It's still like some little bits here, not even a little jar of Nutella. All those,
some grilled peppers.
all those bit of sweet tea. Give you a quick look outside. I know these little explorers. I know they're not like these time capsules that we do, but you know, these are the ones.
I don't know what
Yeah, we don't know until we come in, and we enjoy doing videos. We enjoy showing you guys whether it's a time capsule or whether it's empty. But it's a proper creepy place. I wouldn't want to be here at night. Just wouldn't. And this is what we used to do when we first started. We loved this stuff. Thrived.
Not even, this would be amazing.
Yeah.
Literally, this would be good for when.
We used to love finding stuff like this, and I still do. Still enjoy it. You know, we've just got a lot better at finding places. So I don't think you're gonna get. Yeah, we can go down there. Screw it. Let's go through Spencer. Wow, stuff we do. and down this way. And there's some rocks in that all along here. We're going the back way out. There's a back garden just here. Looks like what must have been some sort of outhouse. And you'll see along here. You okay? You through? We're through. Got like some barns and that here. And then come here. This is some other outhouses that seem to have collapsed. And the back garden's through here. This here. God, it's so overgrown. Wow. This is the back garden. Got a nice trampoline. Trampoline, yeah, huge. You get a nice little view of that golden sun here in the UK as it sets. This is like the back view of the house. It's just completely overgrown. Absolutely overgrown. Right guys, you know, small, sweet, short and sweet, shall I say. You know, a couple of bits in there. I like the atmosphere of that kind of place. Freaky. It's creepy. I wouldn't want to be in there at night. I'm glad we came just before it's got dark.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little explore. You know, if you, like I say, if you're new, subscribe. You know, we do have some good stuff that comes up. There is some awesome stuff coming up soon. Yes, we're looking forward to it. And yeah, drop us a like, comment, and let us know what you think of this video.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Hope you guys are happy.
See you
and we'll
later,
catch you in the next one. Bye.